Hey guys, today my topic is antigenic determinants. Antibodies are glycoproteins. They can themselves function as potent immunogens to induce antibody response. Antigenic determinants are also called epitopes. They are categorized into isotypic determinants, allotypic determinants, idiotypic determinants. Isotypic determinants, antigenic determinants within the constant region of heavy and light chain. They are characteristics of a species. They are present in all members of a same species. All individuals of a species have same isotypic determinants. When the antibody of one species is injected into the another species, the isotypic determinants of injected antibodies are recognized as foreign. It results in the induction of antibodies against the isotypic determinants of injected antibodies. If human antibody is injected into a rabbit, the rabbit will recognize antigenic determinants on the constant region of the heavy and light chain and makes antibodies against them. Allotypic determinants. It is based on the genetic differences among individuals of a species. It depends on the allelic form of the same gene. All individuals of a species have same set of gene coding for isotypic determinants, but within a species, multiple alleles exist for certain isotypic genes. Individuals of a same species have different antigenic determinants. It is called allotypic determinant. Injection of the antibodies of one individual to another individual of the same species induces anti-antibodies formation against the allotypic determinants of the injected antibodies. Mouse of strain A differ in allotypic determinants to mouse strain B. Idiotypic determinants. Antigenic determinants of variable region is idiotypic determinants or idiotopes. The unique amino acid sequence of the variable domains of a given antibody function not only as an antigen binding site but also as a set of antigenic determinants. The sum of individual idiotypes in an antibody molecule is called idiotype of the antibody. Mouse 1 of strain A induces idiotypic determinants against antibodies of mouse 2 strain A. If you find my video informative, like it, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.